Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock FPS in Roblox. While you're in a game, let's go to the game. Then what you're going to do is go on the keyboard, then press on Window G. And it's cap to 64. Then if you wish to go higher than 60, then here's how to do it. Now first, let's exit the Roblox. Then open any browser. Then go to the search bar and type Roblox FPS Unlocker. Now we'll have to go to this official site in the first one. So scroll down until you see the asset section. And before downloading this, please note that this FPS Unlocker might be flagged as a virus on your computer just because of how it works and adding it to Roblox. But don't worry about it. You might have to temporarily pause your antivirus that you have so that it won't detect it and we can successfully run it later. So on the first link, just press that and it will go directly to the downloaded folder, and you just simply right click on this file and just open it. So just extract it all. So here, let's put it on our desktop. And then from here, all you have to do is double click on the FPS Unlocker and give it a few seconds and it will close out. So that's all about it, and it is actually working or running. So don't worry if you don't see a pop-up or anything now. The next thing we'll do is go to our system tray. Now let's go again in the Roblox player and let's go to the game. And press again the window G. And as you can see, it is already now capped more than 60. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!